Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can change between the 3 different modes on this infrared thermometer here. When it's got this cover on, it's going to be in forehead mode, so you can measure people's forehead. If you take it off, it's going to be in ear mode, so you can put it in someone's ear and measure the ear, but it will also do object mode as well. If, for example, you wanted to check the temperature of a bottle of water or milk, etc. Now, when we first of all turn it on, you will see that when we have this cover on here, we will have a little face just here because it's in forehead mode. If I take this front bit off, you will see it will go over to ear. The reason it knows is because it has this little button just here. So when we put this on, it presses the button in. So when it's in, you can see that it is in forehead mode because we have a little face there. And when we let go, it will go to ear mode. So in, forehead, out, ear. Yeah. But now what happens if we want to put it into object mode? Well, we have to turn it off. Doesn't matter whether you have this on or off, it makes no difference. And we need to hold this down for about 6 seconds, and then you will see we will have a little temperature gauge on here. So keep holding it, still holding it, and there we go. We're now in object mode. Can you see we've got a little temperature gauge just there? And it doesn't matter whether we take out that or put it back in, it makes no difference whatsoever. Yeah. So that is object mode. So that's it. They're the 3 different modes. When you turn it off and put it back on again, it will by default go back to forehead or ear mode, depending on whether we have this plugged in or not. So there we go. They're the 3 different modes. Thanks for watching.